Hello friends, continuing our discussion on Fool reverse card readings. Here, Fool and spiritual journey. What Fool reversed card show about your spiritual journey? वही सेम डरने वाली, you are holding up yourself out of fear. Reassess your path. You might be fearful that you would not able to continue your journey because of lack of time, or might be your health issues, or because you are the person who cannot maintain the routine or who cannot continue something. Don't have such fears or such apprehensions, because Fool reverse card shows that get out of your fears. You have to put a little efforts in beginning, then everything will be in place. Start your journey, or your fears are self-imposed. You are putting self-imposed limitations on yourself. You might be thinking that your family or in-laws or anyone else will not cooperate. Have open conversations. They might not be having any issues. It's your own misconceptions. So go and talk. Being Fool card, it shows reversed card, it shows intensification of energy, so it might show intensification of your naivety here. So you need to be little cautious before starting any spiritual practice. Don't rush, evaluate your options. So balance your spontaneity and caution, because what happens that sometimes you are being lured by the gift of gab of fake spiritual leaders and start following them, then later on you will have to repent. So be cautious. And this is the Fool card, and what happens that Fool has started his journey and he is evaluating himself, spiritually also. He is evolving after meeting each archetype. So it is very important, this spirituality is very important aspect of major arcana journey. So you need to lay strong foundations of your practices here, because it's the beginning of your journey, and you should take up those practices which you find that you truly connect with. For that you need to look internally and understand your real self, what you are, whom you want to follow. You want to go by traditional approach or unconventional approach. Like I follow Sai Baba, because here you need not have to indulge in so many rituals or have to be वो पुराना वाला जो होता है ना, बिल्कुल कट्टर बनना, वो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So because I am very easy going person and I can't follow rules as the religion gives you. So just explore yourself, what you really want, and go for it. And evaluate that yourself, that you will have the ability to change in case you are not reaching other level in your practices, and some other opportunities are available to you which promises progress in your spiritual journey. So you should adopt same. So you should be little flexible too. That is your ability to adopt the change. That is again Fool energy. Now coming to health. Regarding health, you should look for alternate treatments, because in case of Fool energy you need to explore options available to you. So here also you need to, in case you are suffering from some long-term ailment, you need to look for alternate treatments that will help you. And it sometimes signifies tiny accidents. So Fool is not bad omen, so you are not to worry if you have minor accident or misstep somewhere. You will recover soon. But Fool is very carefree personality, so it's discouraging you. This card is discouraging you to be very carefree, and dismissive regarding your health issues. You should focus on self-care and assess your habits. So shun your unhealthy habits and adopt healthy ones. That's it. Thank you.